Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a simple wash and go protective hairstyle. So stay tuned up to the end of the video and share your thoughts in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's get straight into it. I've just freshly washed my hair, and I don't want to wash my hair anytime soon. I'll be washing my hair maybe in the next 1 week. So today we're not using gel. Right now I'm applying this coconut oil which crystallized, I don't know why. So today I'm going to be using this Cantu curling cream. I'm not curling my hair, but I want my hair to get moisturized. I've washed my hair like 30 minutes ago and it's very dry. So you see how it looks like, and it smells really good. So basically here guys, I was just parting my hair in preparation for the cornrows I was intending to do on both sides. But if you don't know how to cornrow, you can as well make twists, but cornrows are better because they last longer. Twists are most likely to unravel in a few days or within a short time. So as for cornrows, they are better because you'll just have to be combing the rest of your hair for as long as you'll have the hairstyle. So I just pinned one side of my hair, like that one portion of my hair, so that I can make a partition on the next, on the other side, and start doing my cornrows. So guys, it's very important to make clear partitions. Just try to make as clear partitions as possible because even if you don't know how to braid or twist properly, the clear partitions will stand out for days. So guys, after braiding, I was securing each cornrow at the end with the rubber bands so they don't unravel before I finish making this desired hairstyle. I should make a video on how to do cornrows, guys. What do you think? Share your thoughts down on the comment section and tell me if I should do a video so that you guys learn how to cornrow for those who do not know. So after finishing that one side, I did exactly the same thing on this other portion of the hair. It's just the exact same thing, partitioning properly and doing the two cornrows, securing them at the ends and styling as desired. And you guys are just amazing. I'll be telling you this on every video because you are just amazing. Some of you all share my videos and I really appreciate that. It really means a lot to me. So just keep sharing with your friends, and I hope these hairstyles that I do on this platform are helpful to you. And then it's also important to have these hair clips. They really come in handy when it comes to styling your hair, so they don't interrupt you as you're making a hairstyle. So if you normally style your natural hair or you're just a natural hair person, these are some of the essential things you're supposed to have. Is it essential or essential? Gosh, I don't know. So I'm just braiding down the hair and I'm not doing a very tight cornrow because I'm trying to protect my hair. So yeah, don't do very tight cornrows. So guys, this hairstyle is very simple, is very easy, and also you don't necessarily have to do two cornrows on the side. You can also do three, but if you're in a hurry or if you're going somewhere, two will do for you. So imagine just partitioning the hair on the sides, doing cornrows and tying up the rubber band. It takes approximately 10 minutes. 10 minutes after washing your hair and you're done. You're going for your meeting, you're going for your class, you're going to the club, just like that. So just imagine, guys, you can keep in this hairstyle for 2 weeks even, as long as the cornrows are intact. All you have to do is just to comb your hair, moisturize and oil so it doesn't look dull. Only that for two straight weeks, and you're not disturbing your hair that much. Also, another good thing I realized with this hair is that when you sleep, when you wear your satin bonnet and sleep, it doesn't really affect the upper part, as in the hair doesn't get affected. You can just wake up and comb a little bit and just go where you're going. So at this point, I accessorized my cornrows with some metallic beads right there. You can just use any accessories of your preference, just like that. So after accessorizing, I took I cut a small hairband, not really small, okay, it was small for this hairstyle, so I cut some piece of hairband right there and used it to tie my hair. But I can advise that you use something bigger, maybe a shoelace or an elastic band, yeah, to just make this good hairstyle, just like that. So this tiny rubber band gave me a hard time. I couldn't find any shoelace at that point right there, so I just had to improvise something because I was going to interrupt the video, and it turned out just perfectly well. Even if it was difficult to tie, it was still fine. And also for this hairstyle, I didn't use any gel to even lay my edges because I was not intending to use gel for this hairstyle. But I don't even have edges, guys. So if you have edges, the better you can lay them. Yeah. And your hair will look good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this hairstyle. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.